Right, today I'm going to show you how to finish a Rubik's Cube without all those stupid complicated steps that all those 20-minute instruction guides tell you how, all those silly algorithms and that. This is a simple and effective way to finish it in record-breaking time. Yes, that's right. I'm going to try and beat a premium world record today. Yes, record. Oh, speaking of records, I've just been listening to this record. Yes, that is quite good. Yes, excellent. Musical genius. Sorry. Musical genius of, yeah, that guy. Good. That is good. Just show you a bit. Yes, high quality vinyl record. Yes. 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 Yeah, I'll just take a drink. Getting a bit nervous. Trying to break a world record here. Yes. Right, now I'm just going to go on the Rubik's Cube website, no, Guinness Book of World Records website to show you the record that I have to beat. Again, not really a problem. It's the elite record of Rubik's cubing, solving, speed cubing, solving. Sorry about that. Yes, let me just go onto the website. Go onto the website. It's got a bit of guitar string around here. What is this? Anyway. Well, I got the mouse free of catastrophe. Yes. Yeah, that is it. That is it. The official logo.
And that's us.
Yes. Break a world record. Yes. Let's see. Rubik's Cube speed cubing. Okay, we just found out it's 12 seconds, and I'm just going to beat that. If I can. What's this? There it is. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Sorry about the shrapnel around here. Ooh, drop this. It's just got a bit of a mess around here. So, you know, bit of a mess. You know. Right, now to start solving it, you gotta turn the right face like this. Look at that, that is good. That is good. Yes, completely finished. All faces. It's elite, pro, excellent. All those spiffing words, yes, quite good. Yes. Yes, so that's that's the finished product. Yes, finished product. Finished product. And it's quite good. Yes. Yes.
Took about 12 seconds.
Yeah, 12 seconds left, do we? Yes. No complex algorithms, anything. It's all simple.
Genius.
Genius. Yes, it's just so simple. It's just genius. It's just Rubik's Cube genius. Genius, yes. So that's how you solve it. Just genius. Genius. Absolute genius. Yes, genius. Oh, stop. Where's the stop button?